Analysts have very good reasons for being upbeat about these biotech stocks. Worries about biotech stocks are way overdone, so the sector should make a big comeback in the coming months. Eli Lilly. Many analysts are upbeat on Eli Lilly because of its promising weight loss drug. IQVIA. One investment bank is bullish on IQVIA because of the large amount of data that it has. Madrigal. The FDA appears to like Madrigal's treatment for a liver disease for which there is reportedly currently no approved therapy. Let's dive in. Here are the 3 biotech stocks that Wall Street analysts can't get enough of. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. This year has not been kind to biotech stocks, as the sector's most popular ETF, the iShares Biotechnology ETF, has fallen about 3% so far in 2023. Investors are probably worried about the impact of higher interest rates and potential reforms by Washington, D.C. on the sector. But I believe that these concerns are way overdone. As far as rates are concerned, Fed officials have indicated that the central bank is likely done raising rates this year, while Fed Chairman Jerome Powell indicated in his Jackson Hole speech that rates could start coming down even if the consumer price index is above 2%. And the Biden administration has shown little indication of being interested in enacting any major reforms that could harm drug companies. With the elections coming up in 2024 and the Democrats needing as much money as possible for their campaigns, I doubt whether they will be interested in antagonizing drug makers, which are one of the biggest contributors to the campaigns of both parties, between now and November 2024. With all of that said, here are 3 biotech stocks that Wall Street analysts love. Number 1. Eli Lilly. Analysts are quite bullish on Eli Lilly, as among those issuing notes in the last 90 days, there are 15 strong buy ratings, 5 buy ratings, 6 hold ratings, and 2 sell ratings on the name. In other words, there are 20 bullish ratings on it and only 8 bearish or somewhat bearish ratings on Eli Lilly stock. Eli Lilly has developed the most promising of the weight loss drugs that are in a category called GLP-1 receptor agonists, according to Barron's. Lilly's weight loss drug is called Mounjaro. On August 9th, investment bank Jefferies upgraded Eli Lilly's stock to buy from hold. The bank reported that Novo Nordisk's weight loss drug, which is also a GLP-1 receptor agonist, lowered the number of adverse cardiovascular events in obese or overweight adults without diabetes by 20% in a trial. As a result, Jefferies expects insurers to eventually cover Eli Lilly's weight loss drug. Jefferies now expects Mounjaro and Lilly's oral weight loss drug to generate peak sales of $70 billion and $8.5 billion, respectively. Number 2. IQVIA. Of the 20 analysts covering IQVIA in the last 90 days, 14 have a strong buy rating, 6 have buy ratings, and 2 have hold ratings. IQVIA calls itself a leading global provider of advanced analytics, technology solutions, and clinical research services to the life sciences industry. On March 17th, investment bank Truist started coverage of IQVIA stock with a buy rating and a $265 price target. The bank believes that the company's unit, which carries out clinical trials for drug makers, is differentiated from competing businesses by the depth of its data. The unit's large amount of data allows it to improve clinical trial design, site identification, and patient recruitment, Truist stated. Number 3. Madrigal Pharmaceuticals. Of the 12 analysts who have issued notes on Madrigal stock in the last 90 days, 7 have strong buy ratings, 3 have buy ratings, and 2 have hold ratings. Madrigal has developed a potential treatment for a form of liver disease called non-alcoholic steatohepatitis with liver fibrosis. The company's drug, resmetirom, was granted breakthrough status by the FDA, indicating that the agency believes that the drug has a great deal of potential. According to Madrigal, there is currently no approved therapy for the disease. As of June 30th, the company planned to ask the FDA to grant the drug accelerated approval and priority review status. If those requests are granted, the FDA would have 6 months from July 17th, the date on which the company completed its submission of the application for the drug's approval, to decide whether to approve the treatment. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.